warning for. Central Georgia, northeastern Fayette County in north central Georgia, central Horry County in north central Georgia, central Newton County in north central Georgia, Rockdale County in north central Georgia, until 6:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. 1:09 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Douglas area across the border, producing heavy rain across the border area. 2.5 between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen on rainfall amounts up to 1.5 inches are possible in the warning area. Flash flooding or rainfall flooding thunderstorm features flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source radar flooding of small creeks, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying flash flooding includes McDonough, Covington, Jonesboro, Southbridge, Forest, Riverdale, Smart Joy, Lake City, Porter, Lakeview Estate, Florida International Horse Park, Rejoicing International Horse Park, Hidden Valley Park, Riverdale, flooded roads, return vehicles, most flood deaths especially when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Flooding is occurring and minor flooding is forecast. Where? Big creek when? Until late tomorrow evening. At 8 feet. Minor flooding continues to expand further into the woodlands and fields along the creek from near Cumming in South Forsyth County to Alpharetta and Roswell in North Fulton County. Additional portions of the Big Creek Greenway will surface in Peachtree City and water to flash flood most of the Rock Lake and Viking in North Central Georgia. And downstream from the gate on Kimball Bridge Road and near Rockland Park. North Central Georgia, Central Newton County in North Central Georgia, Rockdale County in North Central Georgia, until 6:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:09 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1.5 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include McDonough, Fayetteville, Conyers, Covington, Jonesboro, Stockbridge, Forest Park, Riverdale, Morrow, Lovejoy, Lake City, Oxford, Porterdale, Lakeview Estates, Georgia International Horse Park, Richardson Park, Kellytown, Flippin, Hidden Valley Park, and Magnet. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Report